talk about customizing the quick access toolbar. Now, the quick access toolbar is found in the top left-hand corner of all your Office applications. So in this case, I'm in Word, but you have one in Excel, you have one in PowerPoint, you have one in all the different applications. And essentially, it's a place where you can find quick access. Excuse me for using the same word to describe its name, but it's to provide quick access to features found in that particular program. Now, I like to use it to add buttons that I wouldn't find normally on the ribbon so that I have a place to access them quickly along the top here. Now, how you do this is you would click the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button and choose More Commands. And then on the left-hand side here are all the different commands you can choose from. And on the right-hand side are what's currently found on your Quick Access Toolbar. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change this. Instead of popular commands, I'm going to choose commands not in the ribbon. I'm going to go and find one that I actually use all the time. There's one called white space between pages. And I'll show you what it does in a second. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it, and then you simply click Add, and that adds it to your Quick Access Toolbar. So if I click OK, you can see now that the button has been added to the end of the Quick Access Toolbar, and I can use it. I don't have to be on a particular ribbon, it's just always there, which is really nice. So in this particular example, there is a feature in Word that allows you to hide white space between the pages in page layout view, essentially. So if you had a page break and you had a bunch of white space like I do here before the next page, you can actually end up hiding that simply by clicking this button. Instead of you trying to find these little arrows, they're kind of finicky sometimes, you now just have a button that's on or off. So I like using the Quick Access Toolbar for things like that, but we can talk about commands not found in the ribbon later on. We'll do a set of videos on those. Of course, if we know how to add a button, we should know how to remove it. We can do that by clicking the same Quick Access Toolbar, Customize Quick Access Toolbar button, I should say. Going down to More Commands, you can find the command you added and then just hit the Remove button. Once you press OK, it's going to bring you back and that button is no longer found on that toolbar. So remember, this applies to all your Office applications. You can add buttons in Excel, you can add buttons in PowerPoint, or in this case, we did an example in Word.